Hey everyone, welcome back for another video. Today I am at Farm Equipment USA in Fruitland, Idaho. They have two different locations, one here in Fruitland and one in Jerome, Idaho. But let's have a look around this place and check it out. Now I will start the video off here walking through the front door with the camera and see how fast people scatter. Actually, just kidding. I got here first thing in the morning, so a lot of these have not even started their day yet, but we're walking in here through the front doors to the parts counters. The sales offices and so forth are located around here, and then we will take a walk around and head back to the shop before I pop the drone up, and we'll take an aerial view of the property. This location and building is just a couple years old. I've known the guys at Farm Equipment USA for several years. I called on them a few times when I worked for Versatile, and they were based out of Caldwell, Idaho, so just west of Boise. And they moved out here, built this location. You can see they got a pretty nice shop here. And I was here in January. I'm just looking around, and then now we're going to head outside, pop the drone up, and take an aerial view of this place. Their main lines of equipment here at Farm Equipment USA are Versatile, Deutz-Fahr, Hyundai, Yanmar, and Krone, and many other lines. You may have seen some of their videos on YouTube. Their first video they did that I remember is they actually took a Versatile front wheel assist tractor into downtown Boise and was given Uber rides in a tractor. They did another one where they ran over a car in a gas station and several other ones. If you have not seen their YouTube channel, you definitely want to check it out. They got some pretty entertaining stuff. And you can find them on YouTube at Farm Equipment USA. And if you just happen to be cruising down Interstate 84, you might just see their location as it's located right by the interstate. If you would happen to get off the interstate to drive into Farm Equipment USA, you will go right past Millstack Manufacturing. Now, Millstack makes bale stacking wagons, self-propelled and pull type. I've had videos on my YouTube channel of those from years past. And again, you'll go right by their factory as you're wheeling in here. Another side note, if you're not familiar with the area, Fruitland, Idaho is right on the state line with Oregon. These tractors here were headed to a farm north, and I was back the very next day. You may have seen a video of this 6135 with a bale feeder feeding some cattle. If you've not seen that video, I'll put the link to it at the end of this one, but that's where that 6135 Deutz-Fahr is going. Now, let's fly around the lot and look at some farm equipment. And here are some random pictures I took at their Jerome location when I was back here in September, and then again on this trip. That's going to do it for this video. Feel free to go down there and hit that like button and leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you go down there and hit that subscribe button and check back often. I'm always uploading new content to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.